In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your refund on Turbotax. Whether you're eagerly waiting for your tax refund or just want to check its status, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in and make it easy for you to stay informed about your refund status. To get started, the first thing you want to do is head over to the Turbotax official website. You can simply open your favorite web browser and type in the URL, or you might already have it bookmarked for quick access. Once you're on the website, the next step is to locate the sign in button. It should be on the top right corner of the page, so go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so have your username and password ready. If you've forgotten your password, there's a quick recovery process you can follow on the site to reset it. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Turbotax home. This is your control center where you can access all your tax documents and filings. Make sure you're in the right account, especially if you use Turbotax for multiple family members or businesses. Next, from your Turbotax homepage, look for the Tax Home section. This is where you'll find the summary of your tax filings, including information on any refunds you're expecting. Go ahead and click on Tax Home. It's usually listed right on the main menu or sometimes within a sub-menu that's part of your dashboard. Once you're in the Tax Home, navigate to the section labelled Your Account. This area will give you access to all account-related activities, including orders and payments associated with your Turbotax account. Clicking your account will bring you to a page with more specific details. One of those details will be the View Order Summary link. This is an important step because it compiles all transactional details related to your Turbotax filings. Click on View Order Summary to see a comprehensive overview of your filings and orders. Lastly, you're going to click on Order Summary. This section will give you detailed insights and the current status of your refund. You should see the estimated time of arrival for your refund, and if there are any issues or delays, that information will also be displayed here. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to track your refund on Turbotax. Just follow these steps and you'll always be in the loop about the status of your refund. If you have any questions or run into issues, Turbotax has a handy help section and customer support team that can assist with more complex inquiries. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy tracking!